What's up mga masters? This is Master Andy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, itatry ko itong dalawang Nissins and pare sila seafood. So this one is from Japan and this one is from the Philippines. Check natin kung ano yung masarap sa dalawa. So same lang sila, Nissin, but ito is from Japan and this one is from the Philippines. So itatry natin kung ano yung masarap. Of course, unahin ko to yung from the Philippines. Ayan. So, taste natin. It's hot. Meron siyang ginger and medyo maalat, salty. So this one naman is from the Japan. Papansin niyo, mas marami tong laman kumpara dito. Ito konti lang yung mga gulay niya, pero ito mas maraming gulay. So iti-taste ko. Wala na siyang tubig, pero ang dami niyang sahog. Look at that, oh, yung sahog niya. Oh, napakadami. So, itatry ko ngayon. Init. It's hot. Very hot. Kung ito salty, much salty siya. Mas maalat to kumpara dito sa atin. Ito kahit pa paano may sabaw pa siya. Ito wala na siyang sabaw. Very dry. Dry. This one is may water pa din siya. Kaya lang yung sahog niya maliit lang. Konti lang. I like this. Kasi di siya masyadong malat. Kumpara dito, sobrang alat. Oh. This one, wala ng water na absorb niya na masyado. Tuyong-tuyo na. Ang marami lang sa kanya yung sahog. Pero maalat to. Look at the seafood. Ito, konti lang yung sahog niya. Napaka-konti lang, pero may sabaw siya. This is better than this one. So try it for you to find out. I like this. Look at the noodles. No more water. And so this is my final judgment. This Nissin from the Philippines is better than the Nissin cup noodles from the Japan. This is salty. This one is not salty. And if you are first timer to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment down, and subscribe for more vlogs, mukbang vlogs in the upcoming week. So see you on my next vlog, Masters.